Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Windows 11 latest update KB5074105. I will show you now how to download and install this update, and I am also going to discuss about what are the features introduced with this update actually. So to install this update, open Windows settings, tap on Windows Update, tap on check for updates. So after that, it will display what are the available updates to download actually. Just wait for a few seconds. It will display actually. He is checking for updates now. Now you can see here. It is displaying the available updates actually. So this is the update actually. KB5074105. So it is downloading now. So it is going to download and install. So let it be download. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Just let it be download. So after installing this update, the revision number will change to 7705. Right now the revision number. So to check the current revision number, just open the run dialog box and type winversion, tap on OK. This is the current revision number 7628. So after installing this update, the revision number is automatically changed to 7705. So after installing this update, I will make restart actually. So we will check the revision number also. It is automatically going to change. Now you can check here the system got restarted. So after restarting the system, the revision number is automatically going to change. To check the revision number, open run dialog box and type winversion, tap on OK. You can see here the revision number is changed to 7705. Before it is 7628. Now we will check what are the features introduced with this update. First feature, it is cross-device resume. Open settings, tap on apps, tap on resume. So by default, this resume is enabled only. You can check this cross-device resume and task manager also. Open task manager. Search for the resume process. Expand this process, resume process. Here you can check this cross-device resume. So what it will do actually, this cross-device resume, it will allow you to resume the app activity that you left off on Android phone. For example, if you are working like editing any document on Android phone and you can open that document on your PC, you can resume editing the same document instantly. So that is the use of this cross-device resume feature. And one more feature, that is smart app control. So to check this one, open Windows Security. Open Windows Security. and tap on app and browser control. Here you can find this smart app control. Tap on this smart app control settings. So actually before installing, before KB5074105 update, there is no, nobody unable to edit this smart app control actually. So, but after installing this KB5074105, users can, users can enable or disable this smart app control actually. But right now it is not allow me to enable or disable because here you can read this. Here you can read this notification actually. If smart app control is off, cannot be turned on without reinstalling Windows actually. So, so actually what I did is I actually directly updated to Windows 11 from Windows 10 actually. So that is the reason it is not allow me to enable or disable the smart app control. But after installing the KB5074105, users can enable or disable this one. But what is the thing you need to do actually? You need to have the proper installation actually. So proper installation or reinstalling the Windows actually. Otherwise, it won't allow you to enable or disable actually. So this is the one more change they brought after installing this update actually. You can enable or disable smart app control after installing this update actually. I think you got idea. I think why I cannot enable this one because I didn't do a proper installation of this Windows actually. I directly updated from the Windows 10 actually. That is the reason I'm not unable to enable or disable this smart app control actually. And one more feature it is taskbar settings actually. You can hide this taskbar. It is not any new feature. In the previous update also they brought this auto hide taskbar actually. But what they brought the change is they brought the visual graphical experience actually. So let me navigate to the taskbar settings. Open settings. Tap on personalization. So after you tap on personalization and tap on this taskbar and tap on this taskbar behaviors. So from here you can hide this taskbar actually. Check the box, automatically hide taskbar to hide the taskbar actually. Otherwise you can directly tap on this taskbar settings on the taskbar actually. So if you click this option also, it will directly open this window actually. So let me check this box, check the box, automatically hide taskbar. So after you check that box, you can see here. So when you take your cursor over the taskbar, it is appearing. So if you take, if you take our cursor away from the taskbar, it is disappearing. And when you move cursor over the taskbar, it is appearing. You can observe the change actually. You move away your cursor from the taskbar, it is disappearing. If you move to the taskbar, it is appearing actually. So you can observe the change also. Graphical user experience. And one more thing is actually they brought the, you can Windows Hello, it is supporting the fingerprint peripheral actually. Windows Hello, it is supporting the fingerprint peripheral. It means actually Windows Hello, it is supporting the external fingerprint sensors actually. Till now, I mean, still now it is only supporting the inbuilt fingerprint sensor. Windows Hello only supporting the inbuilt fingerprint sensor. But after installing this update, it is supporting the external fingerprint sensor also. Just tap on this accounts, tap on the sign in option. So right now it is not supporting in my system actually, but you can find the enhanced sign-in security in the additional settings actually. You can check the fingerprint peripheral option actually. So I mean enhanced sign-in security. It is if it is your system supporting, it will display under the additional settings. Enhanced sign-in security. So enhanced sign-in security it is supporting the external fingerprint peripheral also now after installing this update. But I cannot show you that feature because my system it is not supporting. And one more feature it is actually you can after installing this KB5074105 it is actually supporting the .webp format actually. I mean image format. I mean still now it is not supporting actually, but after installing this KB5074105 you can upload the .webp format images in your wallpaper actually. So for that open settings, tap on personalization, tap on background, tap on browse photos. So after installing this update, it is supporting the .webp image format also actually. So you can check here actually. Tap on this all files. Here you can observe the .webp actually. Before it is not available actually this .webp. So select this .webp. So only that .webp extensions images only it is displaying now. After you select this .webp, only images with .webp extension only it is displaying those images only. Tap on that image, then select that image and choose picture. So this is the one good feature they brought with this update. You can it is supporting now .webp format also. That's it guys. That's all about this KB5074105 update. If you like this video, please hit like button and please click subscribe my channel. For more upcoming videos, please hit bell icon. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your time.